Imagine a symphony of flavors dancing on your palate, a delightful fusion of savory, sweet, and spicy that leaves you craving for more. Picture tender pieces of chicken, marinated in a medley of aromatic spices, simmered in a rich and creamy tomato sauce, and garnished with fresh coriander. This is the magic of chicken tikka masala, a culinary masterpiece hailing from the vibrant cuisine of Pakistan. To prepare this dish, start with boneless chicken pieces, preferably from the thigh for that perfect blend of taste and tenderness. Marinate them in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, and a blend of spices including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. A little bit of ginger and garlic add a delightful punch to the marinade. Allow the chicken to soak up these flavors for at least a couple of hours, but if time permits, leave it overnight. This deepens the flavors, ensuring every bite is a flavor bomb. Next, fire up the grill. Cook the chicken until it's perfectly charred, adding that distinct smoky flavor that is the signature of chicken tikka masala. While the chicken is grilling, prepare the sauce. Sauté onions in a generous amount of butter until they're golden brown. Then add ginger, garlic, and a blend of spices. Stir in tomato puree and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Add a splash of cream for a velvety smooth texture and a hint of sweetness to balance the spices. Add the grilled chicken pieces to the sauce and let them simmer together. This allows the chicken to absorb the sauce, making it juicy and flavorful. Finish off with a sprinkle of garam masala and a handful of freshly chopped coriander. This adds a final layer of flavor and a pop of color, making the dish as visually appealing as it is delicious. In summary, to prepare chicken tikka masala, marinate chicken pieces in a blend of spices and yogurt, grill them to perfection, and simmer them in a rich tomato sauce. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve hot. This dish is a celebration of flavors, a testament to the culinary prowess of Pakistani cuisine. It's the perfect blend of savory, sweet, and spicy, with a hint of smoky flavor from the grilled chicken. Each bite is a delight, a burst of flavors that leaves you craving for more. Chicken tikka masala, a dish that is as delicious as it is easy to prepare, a treat for all the senses.